Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channels. In today's video, I will you through how to fix this site cannot be reached at Google Chrome's on Android phone and iOS. Step by steps, whether the DNS issues, security problems and reviews issue. I will show you all power method to get your browser working smoothly. Again, let's dive in straight into the technical solution. So, how can fix this issue? Simply step by step and follow them. So, guys, how can fix this issue? Simply, so first check internet connection. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi network, mobile network connections. Try to open another website and have to confirm internet is working. If not, you will airplane mode on. Wait 10 seconds. Open settings on your phone and then tap on SIM cards and mobile networks. Now is check your networks and back. Click on Wi-Fi network and again tap Wi-Fi and tap on forget network on your phone and back home screen and turn on airplane mode and 10 seconds and again airplane mode turn on and back. Again clear Chrome cache and cookies. Open settings and then search Chrome. Tap it. Now tap on storage and clear cache. Now tap on clear storage and tap on clear cache and back home screen. Again reset network settings on your phone. Open setting and then scroll down, tap on systems. Now tap on reset options. Now click on reset Wi-Fi networks. Tap it and tap on reset settings and then back on screen. Close page. So now update or reinstall Chrome's. Go to Play Store or App Store. Now tap on Play Store and search Chrome app. Tap here. Now we can see is asking updated app and tap on update. So wait few seconds. Now we can see here is updated family and back home screen. So check the website self. Try opening the some site and other devices browser. If it does not load there, rather the sites and don't favor one and just.com and check your website. So guys, if you have any problem, let me tell in the comment. I help you. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and thanks for watching videos. Thank you.